What's up guys, Mike Shane, I'm back here with another Michigan Muscle video. I've got my neighbor drifting behind me. He's gonna fly by right now in a minute. And there he goes. We'll see if he does another donut or hit something. One of the two, we'll see. Oh, there he goes. Oh yeah, there he goes. Full send, full send. So as always, I love playing in the snow. The Camaro loves playing in the snow. Today I thought it would be a great day to go drift around, especially with how much snow we've got. It's a ridiculous amount. But to change it up a little bit, my 16-year-old sister, who just got her license, I'm gonna teach her how to drift, or in a more appropriate term for the parents, teach her how to drive responsibly in the snow. So, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so per usual, I've got to let the car defrost. Actually, it's not bad right now. I didn't drive the car too much time ago, but wow, this is hard to see. It's really turning into a blizzard out here. But I'm going to pick my sister up right now. She's at a friend's house, and I'm going to go ahead and teach her how to drive responsibly in the snow, and how to handle a car if, you know, one ever experiences a situation where they might have to counter the steering wheel in the other direction. Because you never know when you can encounter that. It's dangerous world out there. So it's better to be prepared than not. And being that she's my sister, I want her to be prepared as much as she possibly can be for any type of situation that you can encounter on the road. So, being the good brother I am, we're going to help her out today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a mess. My subdivision probably has 6 inches of snow on it right now, and that's a combination between it's still snowing all day for past 6 hours right now. Snowing since 10 o'clock, it's 4, and people snowblowing their driveways, blowing more snow into the roads. All right guys, it's my little sister Francesca who just got her license, and I'm gonna teach her how to drive responsibly in the snow. All right, so Fran is officially in the passenger seat of this, my car, or not passenger seat, I'm in the passenger seat of my car. She's driving it. We've got her in snow mode. Go ahead and put her in drive, Fran.
All right. Oops,
so traction control is off, that's okay. Traction control is off. So just try to accelerate, and we're gonna practice driving in the snow.
Why am I going?
You have no traction. You're stuck. All right, well, hit here. Stop.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, keep going. Just feather it. Don't. Okay, there you go. You're moving. See, so when you're in the snow, you want to see. But watch out for the curbs up over there.
Where? Okay.
See, they're up there. So now turn the wheel. Now, if you hit the wheel and floor it.
Now where do I go?
Go like over there and then counter steer. See how you counter steer? Car goes straight. Counter steer more. Now left. See that?
Yeah.
Now go left.
Okay.
Now turn the wheel the other way. See that? See that? You're doing good. Go this way. There's a curb over there. There you go. There you go, Fran, you're doing donuts. Watch, don't floor it all the way though. You don't want to redline it.
What's that?
Where the RPM goes all the way up to the red.
Ooh, look at me.
Look at you, Fran. You're a drifter. You're a drifting machine. Watch out for him though.
Oh boy.
Watch out for him. He doesn't know what he's doing.
Who is that?
I have no idea who that is.
Frank?
Go turn right and do a donut. Right. Floor it the rubber. There you go. All right, what'd you think?
Awesome.
So this is like a preventative driving measure. So if you ever get caught in the snow and you start drifting, you want to counter steer it the other way.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right, now here, let me show you how to really drift.
Oh boy. All right.
right, we made it back. Fran, how'd you do? What'd you
Great.
think?
I loved it.
Yeah, you're gonna be a better winter driver now that you
Oh,
know how
yeah.
to counter steer the car.
Definitely.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Comment below on what else you want to see. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.